In this video, we are given a function x squared times x cubed minus 1 all to the fourth power, and we have to integrate the given function with respect to x. Please don't forget to like this video, follow our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math content. Let's get started with the solution. We have a product of a quadratic and then the fourth power of a cubic function. And since we have a product of two factors, it is not allowed to integrate each of these factors and then multiply them. So what can we do? We can use the method of U substitution. So we can let U equal to x cubed minus 1. Because if we let U equal to x squared, it will be much difficult to integrate. So let's proceed. We differentiate the U, which means that we have du is equal to the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared and the derivative of 1 is 0. So our du is 3x squared dx. Always make sure to have dx when you have du on the other side. Now let's focus on x squared and dx. As you can notice, we have 3x squared dx as our du. So our x squared dx is equal to du over 3. Therefore, our x cubed minus 1 all raised to the fourth power is going to be u raised to the fourth power. And then x squared dx is equal to du over 3. And u to the fourth du all over 3, or rather integral of u to the fourth du all over 3 can be written as 1 over 3 times the integral of u to the fourth power with respect to u. And since we are coming across an integral of a power, we are going to use the power rule of integration. Integral of x to the nth power with respect to x is equal to x to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So the integral of u to the fourth du is going to be u to the 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1. And that is going to be u to the fifth all over 5. But since we have 1 over 3 outside the integral, we are going to multiply u to the fifth all over 5 with 1 over 3. And simplifying the fraction will give us u to the fifth all over 15. However, u to the fifth over 15 is not the final answer because you do not see a u in the integrand. So what we can do now is we can revert the u into its original function. So u power 5 over 15 is equal to x cubed minus 1 all to the fifth power all over 15. And don't forget to put the arbitrary constant, which is letter C, which can represent any constant. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, like and follow our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math content. And if you have any concerns, please feel free to comment below. Goodbye.